The internet is a big place. You can find free stuff everywhere. Why go through the hassle of making your own photos, making your own designs, drawing comics, when you can just copy things, put your own watermark, your own copyright on it, and distribute it elsewhere? Really, it's that easy. Your friends, contracts, that's so unromantic. I mean, it's like getting married. Who wants to get married nowadays? You don't need a contract. You're friends. You like each other, you work together, you agree on everything. It's the honeymoon phase. Why shouldn't these last forever? Why should anyone talk about who gets what, who does what job, who gets how many rights? You really don't need a contract. You don't need to invent your own brand names when there are already so many well-established brands out there where you can just take the name, put a spin on it, use a different color. It's so much easier. If people Google a really, really well-known brand and find you, well, that's a win-win situation. You save money on advertising, you save money on design, and you can use someone else's really well-established reputation. Much like with trademarks, some companies are just too lazy to get their own domains for their products, for their company, in different domain endings with other top-level domains. You can make so much money with that. You can just act like a reseller. You save the domains for them. You're really doing them a service, let's be honest. You take the domain and keep them safe until they buy it off of you, for some extra money, of course. I mean, you're an inventor now. That's the best thing ever. You found the next great thing. You don't need a patent, really. You don't need to protect it. You have to go out there and tell everyone. You know these things. Do good things and tell people. Run with it. You have invented a great, great thing. So why would you not go out and tell everyone you can? Happy inventing and happy sharing.